Hello, my dear Tuddies. Welcome back to Mantis Corner. Now, let's discuss the personal pronouns I versus me. Kailan natin gagamitin si I at kailan natin gagamitin si me? Okay? So, these two are both personal pronouns, but I functions as a subject and me as an object. Now, I'll be giving you an example of a sentence and then you try to identify which pronoun is applicable for the statement. Example. This is a problem for Ellen and I to solve. So is I in the statement correct? So it should be me. Okay? It should be, this is a problem for Ellen and me to solve. So ano ang ating technique para malaman natin na siya ay dapat I or siya ay dapat me? Okay? So ang tamang sagot for that statement is me. Bakit? Kasi if we are going to remove Ellen in the statement, it will become, this is a problem for me to solve, not for I to solve. Tama? Parang it sounds awkward din. Tama ba? So ang gagamitin natin dyan ay me kasi we also have the preposition for me and not for I. Another example is, me and Andrea are leaving. Is it correct? So are we going to use me or I? Okay, so let's try again. Ang tip natin dyan, kapag dalawa ang subject at nalilito tayo kung ang gagamitin ba natin ay I or me, tanggalin natin yung isang subject. Okay? Tanggalin natin yung noun. Tanggalin natin si Andrea. So it will become, me is leaving. Can you say that? Definitely not. It should be, I am living. Of course, we will change the verb are. Kanina kasi dalawang subject, me and Andrea are living. Since tinanggal natin si Andrea as one of the subjects, pinalitan natin ang I, syempre papalitan natin din ang verb. At ang laging kasunod niya, na present form I am, or the be verb am. Okay? So, I am living. You cannot say, me am living or me is living. Third example. In a classroom setting, okay, your teacher may ask you, who wants to answer on the board? And some students will say, me, 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 me. Okay? If we will complete the statement, it will become, me want to answer on the board. Is it correct? It's not. Okay? It should be, I want to solve the problem on the board. Okay? So I hope you guys understand. Because here, I functions as a subject and me functions as an object. At hindi sila pwedeng mag-interchange. You cannot say, me will solve the problem. It should be, I will solve the problem. I hope you guys get it. Thank you so much. And God bless you. Please don't forget to like, share, and heart. Bye!